In this video, we will discuss about introduction to exceptional children and their basic characteristics and types. All children differ from one another to varying degrees. However, in some students, the learning difficulties are more serious and the children deviate more significantly in the one way or another. These are youth who are exceptional in their learning and behavior deviates significantly from the norm. They may show differences in the physical, intellectual, communicative, social, or emotional domains, or in some combination of these. An exceptional child is he who deviates physically, intellectually, emotionally, and socially so markedly from normal growth and development that he cannot be benefited from a regular classroom program and needs special treatment in school. So the common characteristics of exceptional children are exceptional children deviate markedly from the average children. Their deviation from the average children is so great that they can be easily distinguished from average children. These deviations may fall in any behavioral or development dimensions: physical, intellectual, emotional, or social. These children experience peculiar problems and requires modification of school practices, special education and other services in order to maximize their functioning level. Four main types of exceptional children are the intellectually exceptional child, the physically handicapped, the emotionally disturbed children, and the multi-handicap or multiple handicapped child. In the next couple of videos, we will discuss different types of exceptional children.